High in Africa's sunlit forests, where the sunlight filters through a tapestry of emerald leaves, a hidden world thrives above the ground. Here, Colombus monkeys leap through the treetops with breathtaking agility, their movements so swift and fluid that they seem to defy gravity itself. Their long, bushy tails stream behind them as they soar from branch to branch, performing a ballet hundreds of feet above the ground, each leap a testament to their remarkable athleticism. Rarely, if ever, do they touch the forest floor. These monkeys are true specialists of the canopy, their bodies perfectly built for a life spent among the branches, high above the dangers that lurk below. Their powerful, spring-loaded legs and unique hook-like hands, lacking proper thumbs, allow them to swing, climb, and leap with astonishing speed and precision, navigating the tangled maze of the treetops with ease. The name Colombus comes from the Greek for mutilated, a reference to their tiny or even absent thumbs. This unusual adaptation actually helps them grip branches more securely, making them even more adept at their acrobatic lifestyle. These gentle, serene foragers spend their days moving gracefully through the leaves, foraging for tender shoots and young leaves, resting in the dappled sunlight and caring for their young with quiet devotion. Their presence brings a sense of calm and wonder to the forest, a living testament to evolution's artistry and the delicate balance of life in the canopy. To glimpse a flash of black and white in the dense green canopy is to witness the silent acrobats of Africa's wild woodlands, moving like shadows among the leaves. The Colombus monkey's mastery of the treetops is a marvel of nature, perfected over millions of years, a breathtaking example of adaptation, grace, and the enduring spirit of the wild. Colombus monkeys are instantly recognizable by their dramatic black and white coats, which are truly mesmerizing. These coats stand out yet also camouflage them perfectly in the dappled light of the forest. Their long white mantles and bushy tails serve as both visual signals and essential balancing tools during their graceful leaps. Each species displays unique color patterns, from the vibrant red Colombus with its fiery hues to the subtle olive Colombus, showcasing their incredible adaptability to different environments. Their thick, soft fur insulates them against the elements, but once made them targets for hunters seeking their pelts. Today, their striking appearance is a symbol of Africa's wild beauty and a poignant reminder of the urgent need for protection. The Colombus monkey's most remarkable adaptation is its multi-chambered stomach, which is surprisingly similar to that of a cow. This complex digestive system is a marvel of evolution, allowing the Colombus to process foods that would be indigestible to most other primates. With this specialized stomach, the Colombus monkey can digest tough, fibrous leaves that are packed with cellulose, a substance that is notoriously difficult to break down. Inside their stomachs, colonies of specialized bacteria work tirelessly to break down cellulose, unlocking vital nutrients and energy from leaves that few other animals can access. This gives the Colombus a unique advantage in its leafy environment. Because this digestive process is slow and energy-intensive, Colombus monkeys spend a significant portion of their day resting and lounging in the treetops, conserving their energy for foraging and digestion. Their hands are another fascinating adaptation. With reduced thumbs, their long fingers form a hook-like grip, making it easy for them to swing swiftly and gracefully through the dense forest canopy without their hands getting caught on branches. These remarkable adaptations, both in their digestive system and their physical form, allow Colombus monkeys to thrive on a diet and in a forest niche that few other primates can exploit. By focusing on mature leaves, which are often ignored by other monkeys who prefer fruits, Colombus monkeys cleverly avoid direct competition for food, ensuring their survival even when resources are scarce. Their evolutionary design is a true masterclass in specialization, enabling them to flourish across Africa's diverse forests, from dense rainforests to more open woodlands, adapting to a variety of habitats. The Colombus monkey is a true master of its leafy world, perfectly adapted to a life high in the treetops, where few others can follow. Colombus monkeys are fascinating folivores, meaning their diet is made up mostly of leaves. They have a particular preference for young, tender leaves, which are easier to digest and packed with nutrients. However, their menu doesn't stop there. They also enjoy the occasional flowers, which add variety and extra nutrition to their meals. In addition to leaves and flowers, Colombus monkeys will sometimes eat unripe fruit and seeds, taking advantage of whatever the forest provides throughout the year. Their selective foraging behavior is remarkable. Using their keen senses of smell and sight, they carefully inspect and choose only the most nutritious and safest foods, ensuring a balanced diet that supports their health and energy needs. Troops of Colombus monkeys move methodically through the dense forest canopy, feeding peacefully together. They conserve energy by moving slowly and resting often, which is essential for animals that rely on a leafy diet. Their unique, multi-chambered stomachs are specially adapted to break down tough plant material and neutralize toxins found in many leaves and seeds. This adaptation allows them to eat foods that are off-limits to most other forest animals. During times of scarcity, such as the dry season, Colombus monkeys can switch to eating more mature leaves, which are less nutritious but more abundant. This flexibility makes them especially resilient and able to survive in changing forest conditions. They rarely need to descend to the ground for water. Instead, they obtain most of their moisture from the leaves they eat or by drinking rainwater collected in tree hollows and on leaves. By living high up in the treetops and rarely coming down, Colombus monkeys avoid many ground-based predators, making the canopy a safe haven. Every aspect of their feeding strategy, from their specialized diet to their treetop lifestyle, cements their reputation as true masters of the forest canopy, perfectly adapted to life above the ground. Colombus monkeys live in small, close-knit troops led by a dominant male, with several females and their young. Females form the social core, grooming and caring for each other and the troop's infants. Newborns are born pure white, triggering allomothering, where all females help care for the young. This cooperative childcare ensures the survival and well-being of the next generation. As infants grow, their coats darken, and they learn vital skills by watching adults, leaping, foraging, and social cues. Young males eventually leave to find new groups, while females usually remain, strengthening the troop's bonds. The Colombus society is built on cooperation, trust, and shared responsibility. Their social structure is key to their success in the forest. Colombus monkeys communicate with a rich mix of calls, body language, and grooming. The dominant male's deep roar echoes through the forest, marking territory and keeping rival troops at bay. Within the troop, clicks, grunts, and alarm calls signal reassurance, danger, or specific predators. Different calls warn of eagles or leopards, prompting the group to take cover or climb higher. Tail positions and postures convey mood and intent, while grooming strengthens social bonds. Young monkeys learn these subtle cues by observing elders. This constant flow of information keeps the troop safe and united. The Colombus's voices are the living heartbeat of the African forest. Colombus monkeys are vital to the health of their forests, acting as natural pruners and seed dispersers. By eating leaves, they shape the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and supporting plant diversity. Their droppings return nutrients to the soil, enriching the ecosystem. Seeds they consume are spread far and wide, helping new trees grow. A thriving Colombus population signals a healthy, diverse forest. Yet, habitat loss and hunting threaten their survival. Protecting Colombus monkeys means safeguarding entire ecosystems. Their future, and the future of Africa's forests, depends on our commitment to conservation.